A wonderful waterproof racing car. Get it from Amazon now. 110 scale remote control car truck, 80 plus km/h high speed RTR RC truck, 2.4 GHz radio controlled electric RC car, 4WD 4x4 off-road monster truck for adults, IPX7 waterproof racing vehicle truck. Hi. Welcome my friends. Amazingly fast 80 km/h with 4WD equipped with a powerful 3670 2500 kV brushless motor and Hobbywing 120A brushless escape, allowing it to reach the highest speed of 80 km per hour, 49.7 miles per hour without any difficulty. This high-speed stunt RC cross-country truck will bring you a great speed experience. SUV, extended run time and super function equipped with Li-Po 4000 mAh high-capacity rechargeable batteries, run time for up to 60 minutes. 1/10 scale RC truck, with forward, backward, turn left/right, head up often, lateral driving, towns, rotation, the function of drift, conquer all terrain, easy look up, fly slope, drift, turning somersault suitable for a variety of style use. Sensitive 2.4 GHz remote control keeping your buggy under control completely using a quick responsive 2.4 GHz radio remote control with remote distance up to 150 meters. It is easy to handle the buggy no matter you are a new hobbyist of RC cars or an advanced RC car enthusiast. Heavy-duty wheels. The all-wheel drive monster truck boasts extraordinary grip, operation and durability. The center tread lines give you stability on paved surfaces while the side treads and heavy-duty sidewall teeth grip any sort of dirt, mud, muck, leaves, etc. Fully waterproof motor and escape electric accessories make it can run on any terrain and weather, so you can run it on the puddles, stones, beach, sand, snow and wet grass to your heart's content. You can get the product through the link below the video, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the like button to get the latest offers. Thank you.